Let's get your website up and running. Part 1. Images and intro video. In Website Studio, you can choose from a number of templates that suit your business. Simply click the template you prefer. You'll see the template colors will adapt your workspace as well, with the same colors. Next, tap on Manage Photos and Videos. Upload your logo, main image, about image, and your intro video. Recommended less than 5 seconds. Next, add images to your gallery. For normal photos, leave it on fill. For worded images like promotions or before and after shots, it's recommended to tap on Show Full. Once your gallery images are uploaded, scroll down to Services Images and attach images to your services if you wish to do so. And that's it, you're all set. Navigate back to your main website page and click on View Live Website. You'll then see all your images on your website. Keep looking out for more updates coming soon on Solo.